April 1st, it's about 10 o'clock at night, and we are doing I'm doing the last of the edging on the trim, and I'm having all kinds of problems with my lighting, as you can see, getting everything right. This edge, inside edge, I'm reworking this edge, and this is my first time doing this kind of work. I'm using a sponge to fair out this edge, and as you can see down here, it's quite a problem. You see this edge here? It needs to, this stucco is still wet, and I can still get rid of this with a sponge, which is what I'm going to do. So let's give it a shot. I'm going to try to put my headlamp back on and get our lighting set up. One-handed video and sponge in hand. Here we go. Let's give it a shot. Let's try. Now, right here, that wet sponge, as you can see, it takes care of the, it just starts to get this to fade in, to feather in, I think that's the proper word, feather in to the wall. Now there's a big bulge here, and I'm trying to be very careful with this not to lose any of this edge. It's very fragile, but now's the time to do it. Hopefully this is getting into the video. I'm alone, but I think this should work. On the bottom, there it is. Here, and is turning the corner fairly well. Now mind you, this wall is not even, there's all kinds of problems with it, so we're going to have to come back to this, but I wanted to get off this edge, this very difficult edge. It's bumping out in all kinds of places that we don't need it to. And I have a special tool to manage some of this excess here. I've got a corner tool, which I'm going to use now. Let's go get it. Here's the corner tool right here. Right here, we want to apply some of our corner. Get that corner back in. Nice edging tool, invaluable. That corner back on, looking better. Really helps. Really looks good. There it is. Much better. A little more work and it'll be done. That's a wrap.